American. We got the American here.
Oh, that's Johnny Appleseed.
Fucking brilliant. Fucking brilliant.
Pop a smoker in it. Pop a smoker in it.
No, not
Yeah,
over
we
where
saw
you
Danny,
are. This is the other Ifrit. You're at a different Ifrit.
Oh, we've got Jackie behind us. Wait, I killed him.
Is this cunt an
When we
Aragon?
took the hunter. Yeah, he is a rebel.
We should send this cunt a message.
No,
mate.
don't,
Just
don't,
jump
don't.
out and fucking shoot
Just
him
wait
out
for
of
him to
the sky.
initiate on us.
No, he don't fancy it.
Guys, you need to go over to processing if you want to take Johnny Appleseed out.
We are.
Is he
Any
going
place in this
doing
they need to be like dropped off in? Any certain place?
Yeah, the platinum processor. Do you see the factory all the way on our
Right.
right?
Isn't these two choppers there?
Yeah, I know what
Just
that is.
the-
I've done a mining room before with a bunch of people. I'm not quite
There's
sure
some
who.
random cunts. I think this guy's trying to get visual on how many people we have in the back.
Yeah, he is.
There's a
Oh,
lot of
cops
shit
down
going
in
down
process.
where you're going. Yeah, processing, there's cops, and there's the Ifrit with Johnny Appleseed.
Oh, they're caught now?
The Wolves is killed by Mr. Yolo.
No, I think Johnny and that are still
Yeah, there's smoke.
This guy is trying to get...
Jackie, we killed him earlier. We killed him in the
He was the one
hunter.
who got out the hunter.
I think we might need to kill him again, because this guy is getting all the information he needs, really.
Oh, let him.
Yeah, but it could be. Well, then again, he doesn't have a name on us, though.
Oh, Helen.
Right, guys. After this, I really need to go.
That's the place,
So if
London.
you want to take the truck, I'll give some of you the keys. You want to drop you
No,
off?
no, it's
Just,
fine,
I need,
keep
I've
the
got
truck.
stuff to do
Keep it.
tomorrow, so I
That's
need to
what
get.
is landing at the...
Once we get out of the
Yeah.
processor, just take it to the garage and store it.
Okay, no problem.
I'm gonna land at the garage and put my chopper away.
Kind of want to see what kind of a shot this guy is, to be perfectly honest. Maybe he's a good player.
You reckon it's safe to land at the garage and put my chopper away?
If you do it, X, you'll have to be quick.
Don't take us straight into the processor, just drop us off outside of it.
Right, tell me when you want dropping off, yeah?
A lot of gunfire.
Actually, to be honest, here will do.
Drop this off here.
Yeah,
that's what
yeah,
I
here
want
will
to-
do. Yeah.
Okay.
The right hand side.
Nice meeting you, he said, I think.
Gas supplies over here, guys, so watch your asses.
It's the army of
Well, as long as we put our weapons on our back. Can't
My weapon's on my back, there's a lot of gunfire coming from
Weapon on your
trader.
back, it doesn't
We've got
mean
enough
jack
for it
shit,
over
so
there.
why
Are we
is
putting our
rubbish?
guns
It's
away?
Rubbish, and you're using a night vision scope, you might want to change that
Yeah,
before
yeah.
you go.
Oh yeah, I see guys on the horizon.
Oh yeah, I see them.
There's a lot
Fucking
going
hell,
on
there's
up
loads
there.
of them.
Yeah.
I
Why
just
is
want
it
to
no
kill
one
Johnny
we're hot?
Appleseed. We wanted to kill Johnny Appleseed to take his if.
Yeah, that's what we want to
Shots going over that direction.
Fuck, I just tapped back in and
do.
You're speaking English.
50 cal.
I see a chopper that just landed. He's just picked someone up.
We need to initiate. We can't.
Fucking hell, those shots are close.
Unless they shoot one of us, and then that's initiation done.
Yeah, I think
Yeah,
corner is
50 cal.
sniping.
Yeah, he's on the hill, all the way back there, just behind the factory.
Can't you sneak
Actually,
up
I
and
see him. I see his silhouette.
Corner's just been killed.
Little cops over there.
Yeah, there's
Connor was killed.
Yeah, it's a cop sniper. on there.
Andy needs to get eyes on that sniper.
Name is Thrash Zombie. I see the Ifrit
Backing off.
Where's the Ifrit?
about 500 meters away behind the metal building in front of us.
Medics coming in.
Driving around on top of the hill.
Line up the
See it.
Oh shit!
Didn't
I
miss
see
him
Josh in
with
an
us.
Ifrit as well.
Ah.
And kids. He's aiming his
He's
guns
coming
at
this
us.
way to hide in the building.
No, dude. They need to initiate.
We've got a cop in the building in the processor on market.
Yeah, it's kids, I think. Yeah, it's kids.
Has to try above us in that.
Scotty
police
just
truck.
disconnected, leaving his Samac out in the middle of nowhere.
He didn't start it.
I think he was just overwhelmed and he wanted to get away. I think it was all a little bit much for him.
It is,
Up
we
inside
can't,
that
we can't
building
do
right
anything
There's
about
someone
it.
in this barracks building right in front of us.
Yes, right
Do you
there.
want to go and initiate on the cop?
There's a cop.
Yeah, if you want to go and initiate.
Whoever feels like it's his lucky day, go for it.
He just got his lucky day.
I don't see why we just don't fucking storm
I
the
don't
place.
see that cop in the
Yeah,
barracks.
shot all of us.
Yeah, he's up there.
Why don't
Actually,
we just
I see
fucking
his gun
storm
pointing
that?
through the window.
There's
Let's
a cop
fucking storm
outside.
this shit. Let's go.
I'm gonna mark the side of the building that he's in.
I can see a cop in the field to the
Yeah.
east.
Done that as well.
Oh, it's already marked.
Fucking storm the place, guys. Let's
We
go.
have a man on the map, rifleman, coming from the garage.
What, from
Watch
behind
out,
us?
because they have got a police sniper up on the hills.
Paul, Peter, have you initiated?
Turn around. Initiate on the cop.
I hear him initiating now.
I
Peter
not
told
to
him
turn
not to
around.
initiate.
Did he
Peter,
turn
no.
around?
Did he
Did
turn
he-
around?
Yes, he did.
Fair enough.
Told him to not to turn around and he fucking did.
I
Okay,
think there's a cop.
guys.
I think there's a cop in the other barracks building as well.
Yeah, I'm moving up to it now.
Yeah, there's two cop snipers. See where it's marked cop twice? They're both there. Gonna flank them.
So we're initiating on all cops now.
Yes.
Yep. Who's got the sniper?
Me.
Oh, it's the cops on the hill, I think. Cops aren't going to be happy with us when we're finished here. Okay, no, that's close.
It's me.
That's really close. Oh,
That's me.
yeah, it shouldn't be that loud from over there.
I'm inside the building. Might fuck the echo up there.
Do you think there's a cop in this building? Where
Yeah, kids is in it.
Upstairs or downstairs?
Upstairs.
I see
On the
Connor.
balcony is where I last saw him.
Connor's back up.
Yeah, the medic may have just revived him.
We've got a corp outside this window from them.
Initiate on him as well.
Yeah, he's got his gun on his back. He's running to the main.
No, wait. I see him. I see him. He's right here.
There's a police heli above us, Castor. Just to not piss him off, I think we should send an APD message for that helicopter above the processor to fuck off.
Where's that corp guy?
He's
gone?
right around the corner.
Do you want me to do it?
Yeah, he's an end.
Castor Troy.
No, don't.
APD
don't
innit?
Personal message. Send it to the APD.
Kill him.
Where is he?
He's run around the building. He's coming around the building. Fuck! He was fucking waiting. How did he get his gun out so quick?
Yeah, I'm reloading. Fucking hell, man. What the actual fuck?
Who is Josh?
Is he
He's
both
around
That's
the
the
building.
guy right behind us.
He was around the building we were in, the first barracks.
Fucking hell.
Shit.
Just outside of there.
I've forgotten about Castor Troy.
As I went round the corner,
I'm
he was
moving
there,
back.
aiming his gun at the
coming,
corner.
I was
already.
coming behind him and shoving his leg once, but apparently he lives. He's on my body now.
Guys, where it's marked Connor on the map, there's an Ifrit round there just dropping corp off.
Is anybody gonna deal with that corp guy?
Yeah, I'm moving back to the barracks now. Got him.
There. Nice one. Tell the medic to revive me in X.
Yeah.
Right next to us, apparently.
I haven't had time to deal with Castor yet.
Is anyone being shot at right now?
Me. Yeah, from Castor.
We can help
from
them,
Connor.
Paul, as soon as
I
you
hit
tell the
I
medic
hit
about
Trash
us.
Zombie twice.
I can't tell if it's Connor though. There's so many corp around there. Is Connor a cop?
Yeah, probably.
Careful of the
Has
medic.
the message been sent to Connor? To Castor.
I haven't sent it.
Have you got kids yet? Kids is outside. He's behind the wall at the back of the processing.
I'll send a message to Castor.
He's next to
No,
prohibition.
please,
Prohibition. He's right next to you.
Paul, make sure he doesn't revive the
Yeah, I know. I'm by him
He's
now.
reviving me now. He's reviving me now.
I got a combat lifesaver moving up on me, kids.
Man, revive me.
My body's next to the pipes, Paul. just
Yeah, I
next
know.
to the chopper.
I'll tell him just around the corner there's another one, but I need to pick my weapon first. There's a guy on top
Okay,
of my body
yes.
now. Is that you, Paul?
Yes.
No.
Me.
Alright, alright. Just guide him straight to X once I'm back up.
User disconnected from your channel.
Oh, please drop out here, boss.
Right, he's at my body now, the medic.
Yeah.
God knows how he got that gun off his back so fast.
Does anyone
I
else
have
need
no
reviving?
fucking clue, me.
Does
The worst
anyone
thing
else
is I
need
actually hit him.
reviving?
No, it's just me and Dad.
Yeah, guy moving across to you.
Ifrit's back, careful, Ifrit's back.
Where's my gun gone?
It should be here, somewhere.
Okay.
Oh yeah, there it is.
Can we shoot this cop?
Yeah, you can shoot any cop.
Cop.
You shot on them.
We initiated in one court, but you might want to just
Oh,
be
cop, I
safe.
thought
Just...
you said cop.
No, it's a court.
One of you two want to grab this fucker's gun while I watch out for kids, just in case that medic comes back and revives him.
Where's his gun? It's a...
I don't know, but all I can see is his corpse, and he hasn't respawned for a reason.
There's a guy right behind
I've got it.
Careful guys, the Ifrit just moved back into the vicinity.
I'm moving up to the barracks.
I'm taking all this fucking guns ammo.
Take it all, mate. As I said, be very careful because the Ifrit just moved back into the...
Yeah, it's way at the back of...
What about the snipers up on the hill?
Blue smoke. He just dropped to you guys.
Behind the big yellow building.
Yeah. Cops are 500
Orange yellow
meters.
building.
What, inside the compound?
Behind the wall. You see my position behind this wall to my left.
Can it really
Callum's on his way in. Callum's BWC. He's moving in behind us. There's a chopper landed behind us.
Is that not a medic?
It could be,
Yeah,
but it's
Callum's
landing
medic.
west of us.
Shush, shush, shush.
Callum's a medic.
Guy's
Right.
right next to me. Yeah, police is right next to me. Police right next to me.
Trying.
Man, I think he's looking at you, mate. He's coming towards you.
Towards who?
You.
Oh yeah.
It's kids. Distracted him. He's still making his way up towards you.
Also someone in the field. Is that kid?
Yeah, that's a cop guy. He's helping the police.
Ah, there's a cop. somewhere.
Peter killed kids.
Did I? That's what I did.
Wait, taking hits?
Yeah, that's another cop.
Think it's
He was shooting at
corporation.
yous. He was
There's a
shooting at
guy
yous.
that's inside the compound somewhere shooting us from a random position.
Yeah, I've
X,
shot him,
be
I've shot him.
careful.
Yeah, no,
I've
he's
killed
been
him.
shot. He was the other side of the Ifrit. He's dead.
Better be fucking right.
Yeah, I could see him. I saw him.
Is he dead?
Yeah, I've
Yeah.
killed him. I've got.
Can any chance I can claim this first?
Is that a flashbang going off?
But don't
Yeah.
do that yet because we still have cops around.
Yeah,
If
wait
it,
till
is it
we've
locked
done-
or not?
It's locked. I'm
I'm
locked.
not
Yeah,
picking
then
Don't
don't
lockpick
lockpick
it yet.
No, we're in the middle of RP. You're not allowed to lockpick in RP, guys. Come on.
Yeah.
We know this.
Yeah, should be standard procedure.
50 cal?
Yeah, I hear him.
There's
moving
nothing
with
to say. I
towards
can't
the
fucking
hill.
hide behind it though.
Can you spot it out? See if you can find him. Whoever's in the heli, Tandy, I think.
Yeah, I'll have a look.
Castle might be on his way in behind us, guys. So watch behind us.
No,
There's a cop in the
BWC in the
ruins.
air.
By the Ifrit.
We didn't
Connor.
initiate on BWC yet, did we?
No, I'm gonna hang out by this Ifrit because I think they're gonna be coming for it.
Is that the cop with a 50 cal or one of us?
Yeah, it's Connor's.
Connor is in the ruined
I hit
building
him
by
again.
the Ifrit.
Fucker. There's a where that Ifrit's driving around. There's a demolished building and he's laying in amongst it.
We got Caster coming in behind him.
Yeah, there's a gunfight going on back down the other side of
There's
processing.
still someone further to the north of me.
BWC is just below me right now.
Guy shoot me.
They just stole a police heli. They're driving off in an Ifrit.
Nice job, Doc. I definitely have someone north of me. I'm gonna push up on him now.
I hear side chat. Who's that?
I was telling the medic not to survive this guy.
Vehicle behind us.
Connor has a 50. Don't let him get out and pick up their 50, no? That 50 is ours. Make sure those two Ifrits don't fucking nick anything from the dead body.
Can Tandrop initiate on them Ifrits, or...?
Tandrop, land next to that destroyed building, mate. Be careful, land next to the destroyed building, try and pick up that 50 car. I'll cover
Is that
you.
cop still in that destroyed building?
No, I just shot a fucking head off. didn't
If it's
I?
fucking off, if it's fucking off.
I just told the medic not to revive this guy because he tried reviving the guys we shot.
So is that it?
Nah,
In
I
bu-
still...
guys, listen. In bushes just north of me.
Oh.
Who's in the ghillie suit moving down the fence?
It's me, Paul.
Right, that's it.
Because the medic's
What's
with
up
me,
there,
you gotta
Jake?
stop the
I've
medic
got an
reviving.
Ifrit on me.
Right, what do you want me to do?
I got your back. If that
Yeah.
Ifrit comes anywhere near you, I'm gonna fucking blow it, everything.
The medic's gone down there now. But he tried reviving Peter when I told him not to, so he's gone off. But
Can you initiate on the Ifrit, Jake?
careful,
Hang
Paul,
on, I
because
need to. I'm
there's
just gonna
police
back
down
up a
there
little
still.
bit.
Yeah, you should have been it, yeah. It's the, it's Rebels, though. It's Corp, sorry.
He's reviving somebody down there, isn't he?
I told him he's
Did
only
you have
allowed
the
to
50
revive
cal,
SOE,
Yeah,
otherwise
I
his
got
life
it,
is
I got
at risk.
So, should have initiated on that, Jake. There are
Mate, I
chances of-
had at least one guy in the bushes north of me, and I'm in the middle of an open field.
Sacrifices need to be made, Jake.
Yeah, alright.
Oh wait, that was not
Stop
50
the
cal you
Ifrit
had.
right now. Stop the Ifrit.
I got the American here. Peter,
Yes.
are you paying attention?
Is that Ifrit initiated on?
Initiated on him.
I've
No, no.
initiated on one Ifrit. His tyres out.
Yeah, but
I don't know
which one?
about Johnny's Ifrit.
No,
though.
we did not initiate on that one yet.
I'm moving up to him. I don't
watch
think
out
he's seen me.
next to him,
We
stop
need
him.
backup on BWC's Ifrit.
Yeah, we're here. Just initiate on him and we can shoot.
Yeah, ready?
Yeah, go,
Yeah.
go.
Coming back to you guys.
Have you initiated? Yes or no?
Yeah, we
I
initiated
yelled
on
at
him.
him, but I don't know if he
Stop
heard
the
me.
Ifrit now. Stop the Ifrit or I shoot. Alright, he's been initiated on now.
Well, I've been hit.
Yeah, it's
Taking
guys from the
hits.
north. Watch out, it's guys from the north.
Microphone activated.
Did
Hit
Johnny
twice.
Appleseed stop, did he?
They're shooting from really close, guys. They're literally right here.
Yeah, I
I
see
don't know
one.
where
I
he
see
is.
one. He's
They're on
behind
the
the
other side
elephant
of the
grass.
elephant grass.
He's behind the elephant grass.
Go
Yeah,
Batman.
by
Where?
the Ifrit.
Was he the guy shooting at me?
He's right next to Jake. Near Jake. Just up ahead of Jake. There's elephant grass.
Yeah, the elephant grass with the tree behind it.
Yeah, the left side basically, Jake. Taking hits from behind, be careful guys.
Yeah, someone's shooting from back. near the
Ifrit's
tower.
moving again.
He's repaired the Ifrit.
This is a bad place to be. This,
Yeah. We need to take one of the two sides. We need to pick a side, group up and push it.
I've got another
I
Ifrit wheel
can
down
see
on
a
that
guy
Ifrit.
on ground.
Push on that Ifrit in front of Jake now, guys. Everybody. Everybody that has a chance to push on him.
Yeah, I'm
push
moving
on
up
him
now.
Shots from behind again. It's from that Ifrit.
We need to push on that Ifrit that has that wheel off, Jake. We just need to fucking
Yeah, you
take
guys
it.
need to flank
It's
that
on
way.
top. It's on top
Watch
of
out,
the hill
Paul, he's on
now.
your left. No, Paul, get it, quick. Sorry, Shine, but it's literally right there.
No, no, fine. No.
Hang on, why is Peter back? We killed him.
Medic.
Oh, Peter's back in a ghost hawk. Fucking.
There's a
NLR.
guy right in front of me. Yeah, there's a guy right in front of me. Did you see when I died?
Yes.
There's a guy right in front of me behind that concrete wall.
Fuck.
We are hot on BWC.
Yes.
Yeah.
I can hit that chopper then.
Then take it. But be careful.
Are you guys getting it from behind now as well?
That's why we needed to push one side, just to get out of this crossfire.
Why is Peter in this ghost talk? He's breaking NLR, guys.
Don't know where this guy is. There's too much elephant grass around. I can't see it.
Did you see what I died there, Jake? No.
No.
Just
There's
to
one
my
guy
right.
who's right in front of me.
He's right in front of me, past the dirt road. Oh shit, I see him.
Where?
I'll mark him. He is just...
I'm taking hits from behind.
Yeah, yeah.
He's shooting me. He's shooting me
around
from
there.
down towards you guys.
What do you mean around there? Which mark? What, the here mark? The dude mark? Which?
Marked a single dot.
Alright.
Shit, 50 cal.
I'm getting hit from behind with a 50. It's definitely from behind.
Is that broken building again?
Right, who is that? X.
Yeah.
X, listen. You know on the roof of the Platinum Processor, there's a sniper up there. Not the one that runs horizontal as you're looking at it, the parallel one, so the one on the southern side.
I'm just repeating myself. I'm at 30% health.
But this guy's trying to push in on us, Paul.
Which way?
He's on the left. I hit him. He's laying down. Don't peek. Don't peek. Go around that right hand side. He's laying down into a rock. Good job. Back in Paul. Get back in Paul.
There's a sniper east.
Yeah, that broken building.
I can't see the sniper.
Hit for it, pushing to your feet up right in front of you, mate.
Take out his wheel.
Oh, they picked the lock on that other Ifrit that was at Platinum.
They're not even allowed to do that.
Well, they're driving it off now.
Shall I fucking push up on Johnny? He's in that, isn't he? Oh, Haas.
Picked one.
I'm gonna push up. There's a third Ifrit.
Yeah, that's the one they just picked. The one that we.
Yeah, Molly Kairos.
Shall I push up on that crippled one?
Who's shooting at Tandril?
Has the guy
There's
from
a
the
guy
elephant
in
grass
that,
been killed yet?
Yeah, I marked it with a dot.
Is the elephant grass guy dead?
They have 3 Ifrits there. This is fuck.
Yeah, but is the elephant guy grass dead?
I
'Cause then
believe
can
so,
move.
because he's one that pushed towards me and Paul.
Okay, that means so. They're all 3 Ifrits in a line.
Let's go back. We need to try and get a bit of cover again. Well, but fall back.
Where was that 50 cal come from?
The broken building.
Oh, the medic decided to DC. Nice.
FS coming round.
Well done, Legacy. Nice.
Oh, I'm hit, I'm hit, I'm hit. Oh, I'm
Yeah,
dead.
someone by processing, I think.
Did he not break in or did he get revived?
Peter broke it down.
I didn't.
No, not you. So Peter with the iron as well. Oh, I've been hit. Ah, killed from the elephant grass, I think.
No, he's somewhere in processing, but I don't know how he's picking us all off. Because I can't even see the cunt.
I think he's up on the roof.
Ah, I've been checking the roof.
No, someone got out the Ifrit, Paul.
Oh! Molly Cyrus.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but he shouldn't have that Ifrit. He picked it in the middle of the wall.
Did he?
Yeah.
That was the one that we had, the one that Peter was going to pick and play.
Then take it up to the help room.
Fuck's sake.
Because he's not allowed to do that. He's not allowed to lockpick vehicles in the middle of RP.